Alright guys, welcome back. This is your boy Jeff back at you with another installment of Motivation 3. And today, well, we got something going on. We got to get tires on the Camaro. I can't quite get them today, but I can order them today. But I'll just show you what I got going on. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but if you look right there, maybe you can see I'm down to the wear bar on these original OEM tires that they put on there, these Goodyear Eagle 1s. They're run flats, and to be honest, I'm not really happy with the performance of these tires. Even from the get-go, they didn't really hold, they didn't stick, and I plan on going to the drag strip tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to with the tire wear where it's at. I knew I had to get tires, but you know, me procrastinating or whatever. Anyway guys, stay tuned. All right. Yeah, I've been meaning to get some tires for a while now, guys. But I've priced the tires that's on it. I've priced some other run flat tires. And to be honest, I don't want run flat tires anymore. They're very hard. The good thing is though, I did get a nail in my tire one time and I was able to ride on it. But I do have AAA, and so I'll get a flat, oh well. So I'm getting conventional tires this time. And I've been around on the internet the last few weeks, pricing tires, seeing the best deals for me, and looking at reviews, going to forums, seeing what guys are using, and I came to a conclusion that the most expensive tire may not necessarily be the best tire as far as the application that I want to do. I want a tire that's want to kind of last a little long time, and because I only got 20,000, well, I got less than 20,000 miles on these tires right now. And if you know anything about Camaro, the tires are staggered. If you don't know what that means, it's two different size tires, front and back, and they're directional. So you cannot rotate these tires. So the wear you get is the wear you get, and you better keep getting alignments and making sure everything's aligned, or you're gonna have a big issue. And I do that. So I don't have that problem with uneven wear. Right now I just got wore tires. So with that being said, I looked at some Pirellis. I looked at the Goodyears, Continentals, about 7 or 8 different kind of brands of tires, to be honest. And I really was considering getting the Michelin Super Sport tires, but they're pretty pricey. And I got on this one forum, and a guy was talking about a particular tire, and that's probably the one I'm going to get, which is made by Firestone. And I know Firestone got a bad name, bad rep back in the day from Ford. Tires literally blowing up, but and I don't believe it was Firestone's fault completely. I think the firewall or the fender well was kind of cutting into the tire. I think they were Firehawks or something like that. They were put on the Explorer. But anyway, I'm going down to the local Firestone, and that's what I'm probably going to get. For the price, I can't beat it. If I can't rotate my tires anyway, then why pay, you know, a little extra for a 30,000 mile warranty when I can't even get 30,000 miles on a set of tires? So yeah, that's what it is, guys. I'm going to get those Firestones, and maybe I'll be happy with them. Like I said, I read some reviews on them. Guys seem to like them. They seem to stick pretty good to the road. Comfort level, they're pretty high on that also. And seems like a pretty good all-around tire. And I already missed my turn to get on the interstate. I'll go the long way. But yeah, I will be going to the drag strip tonight. My plans were to take the bike and the car. I don't know if I want to take the car now, due to the fact that these tires are wore so far that it might not be a smart decision. Plus, I don't feel like they would even hook even in a remote bit in the condition they're at. Like I said, they didn't really perform well when I first got them. Even using the launch control on this car, they just really didn't ever hook up. And I have ran this car on the track with these particular tires with a lot less miles on them, and using launch control, I let it off and I spun all the way through first gear, pedaled it down, got some little bit of traction, got it into second, and continued to spin. And about, I'd say almost halfway down the track, I spun, and on that particular run, I ran like a 13 flat, which was pretty good for the amount of spinning that I did. But I feel like if I just wait out on the track with this car right now, with these tires on it, get some tires that will hook a little better. I don't want to put a drag radio on it by no means, due to the fact that they're already going to have a short life anyway. Why would I want to put a drag radio on there? It's going to be even shorter. The tires aren't cheap. I mean, the tires that I'm planning on getting are right about $1,000. So I don't want to keep putting $1,000 in the tires every time I turn around. I mean, but it's the price you pay to play, right? I knew it, you know, going into buying the car, that the tires were going to be expensive. But it is what it is. But like I said, guys, this might be a part 1 and part 2. If I do decide to take this car to the track tonight, you can roast me all you want, but I'm giving you fair warning that the car's not going to pull good times. Probably less, probably mid-13s now, considering I really had to feather into it just to even get down the track. But I do plan on running the bike. Hopefully I can get, I don't know, mid 10 second to low 11 second time on that ZX6. It's what I should get. I've never ran that bike down the track, and I'm just going by what the interweb says that I should get on it, and some of the ZX6 forums. And let me tell you guys, those guys are mean. But I got thick skin, and I think it's funny. You know, I put a post on a forum on Facebook, and man, they were getting at me. But it was funny, and I don't take it to heart, because it is what it is. The internet is what it is, guys. It really is. If you got thin skin, don't do things like this. But all right, I'm gonna let you go right here, guys. I may pick back up here in a second at the tire store, just depending on how they are about it. They might want some free plugs, who knows. Anyway, all right, guys, to them. All right, guys, we are in luck. We are down here at Firestone, and they actually have the tire I wanted in stock, size and everything. It's the Indy Firehawk Indy 500 here. Like I said, I did some reviews on them online. Good reviews. Says it's a sticky tire, decent on the wear. So we'll see. And after we get these tires installed, we'll do a little bit of play. Let you see how they perform. Stay tuned for that, guys. Yeah, I don't know how good you can see, guys, but there she is on the lift, getting the new rubber put on. Kind of excited now. So we'll see how they perform. But yeah, guys, don't let me get hit here. If you're in Northeast Alabama, around this area, come down to Firestone. These guys will hook you up, man. Good guys, great service. Ask for Jamie or Brian. These guys will hook you up. Yeah, guys, now they are checking the alignment for the Camaro Easy. Shouldn't be long. get this thing on the road and burn these tires out. We got the tires. I can already tell you just by riding this little bit, I like these a lot more. They're a lot softer, and I feel like the ride's a little smoother. Right now we're getting the car wash, and don't butcher me too much. I'm taking it through the automatic car wash just because I'm lazy today. But yeah, we're gonna get on the road here in a second. We're gonna try and burn some of that rubber off of them. Should be showing you a little bit of performance right after this. Alright guys, unfortunately there's a little bit too much traffic right here where I'm at, so I gotta find me a little different spot. Oh, them things are hooking. Yeah, we'll get at a spot where we can actually check the quarter time mile. This car actually has a function where you can check the quarter time mile. Sorry about the sunlight. I'm kind of facing in the wrong direction, but I'll get it better for you here in a second, guys. Alright guys, unfortunately there's a little bit too much traffic on the road right now. It is about that time where everybody's getting off. So what I'll do is I'll just in the next upload I'll just do the track footage at the drag strip. But man, if you like this this content, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on all notifications, and hook us up. But stay tuned for the next episode, guys. Till then though, peace.
Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah.